I'm Heidi Hockberger. This is my husband, Tony Greif. We've lived here for a little over 3 years. The fireplace, when we first moved in, had a really thick layer of white paint. Really didn't go with kind of the style and the vibe of the house. It was a really long and labor-intensive process, to be honest. I used this product called Smart Strip and put it over the entire fireplace. And after letting it sit for about 24 hours, I put this paper on it, and you peel the paper back. That takes some of it, but especially because the brick was really textured, I had to get in there with a lot of little wire brushes.
And I remember that we had to do a lot of different trips to Home Depot. Lots of different styles and strengths of brushes, I think, was what we realized. You can't just use one and hope it all comes off. You needed a lot of different tools.
Obviously, we love using it, making fires when it's chilly out. It just makes the house really cozy. The brick fits with the style of the house so much better. There's a lot of dark woodwork. It just feels a lot warmer and more rustic. It matches the brick and the rest of the house, and you can actually get to see it.